Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Nikhil Nasta, founder and CEO Eyesight Eye Care and Surgery. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a very common problem which all of us have experienced at some point in time. This is called twitching of the eyes. What happens here is one of the eyes will keep flickering, like that throughout the day. This is not in your control because this is an involuntary muscle. It goes into a spasm and it keeps on flickering throughout the day. It can last for a few minutes, even up to a few months. What do we do for this? It's a little annoying, it's a little weird. Sometimes we also feel embarrassed if it's way too much. Twitching happens because your eyes are very tired, if you have not slept enough, if you're on some diet which is causing an electrolyte imbalance. So many causes for a twitching. It could also be idiopathic, meaning there's no reason why there's a twitch. What do you do to cure this? There's no definitive cure for twitching, but what you can do is you can try ice packs. You can take some really cold water or just plain ice in a hanky and put it here. Try that and that will break your spasm. That will break the twitch. Once the twitching cycle is gone, you should be okay. Drink plenty of water, get adequate sleep, adequate rest, and try to have foods which are rich in calcium and potassium, such as bananas, coconut water, or even a potassium supplement like K-Sol or a calcium supplement. These will help you break the twitch. If the twitch doesn't go away, you must visit your ophthalmologist to look out for any other causes that may require treatment in the form of injections or Botox. So don't ignore the twitch and don't fall prey to superstitions. Twitching of the right eye is good, twitching of the left eye is bad. Don't ignore all that. Get to your ophthalmologist and get the correct treatment done for this. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.